used to comparing costs when shopping for groceries or items for your home. But for your health care, isn't a blood test going to cost the same whether it's at your doctor's office or at a lab? The surprising answer is no. Costs can vary widely. So how can you find the best price and the best care? Keely Strube has the answer. Keely is the manager of customer solutions for Medical Mutual of Ohio. So welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
So is there really a big difference in medical costs depending upon where you go to get them?
There certainly can be. Let's take an example, hospital outpatient services, things like x-rays, lab tests, colonoscopies. If they're performed in a doctor's office or perhaps an independent facility, they can be less than double what they would be if they were in the hospital. So the independent facility oftentimes associated with the hospital system, and it's just a difference in cost.
Wow. So we should shop around, huh?
Sure, absolutely. We know that some medical decisions and different choices wouldn't lend itself to shopping, but certainly some services, there's a big opportunity to save. And with many folks now taking more responsibility, financial responsibility shifting to them with high deductible plans and consumer-driven health plans, I'm really proud to say that we're offering a tool that's going to empower them to shop.
Okay, so you have a new tool that it's help you get the best price and the best place to go depending upon your circumstances. So tell us about that.
So My Care Compare is an online tool. It's available on our member website, My Health Plan. It gives members information, access to information, a wealth of it, provider quality, treatment locations, so you're able to see and compare to see what's most convenient and cost effective, because it does also provide you with estimated cost for many procedures.
Okay, so it's like normal everyday procedures, everybody gets x-rays or blood tests and things like that.
Right.
Okay, so can you give us some examples of how you might actually use this tool?
Sure. So let's say you have a nasty cough and you go to the doctor and your doctor recommends that you have an x-ray. You could choose to walk across the street, perhaps to a outpatient hospital facility where there's an imaging center, or you could hop in your car and drive down the road to an independent facility and have that x-ray done. And what you might find is when you use My Care Compare, you might find that the x-ray cost estimate would be about $140, and when you go to the independent facility, $25. So that's $115 difference. It's pretty significant and an opportunity to save.
That's a huge difference between the two. So how about when your doctor gives you 3 different options and you have no idea who to choose?
You've been to the doctor, they recommend that you see an allergist, and perhaps they give you the names of 3 of their trusted colleagues. You're not sure where to choose, you can go to My Care Compare, look at patient satisfaction ratings, also look at the locations that they're available, and then also you can delve a little deeper and understand what the estimated cost would be for treatments and visits.
Okay, so who can use this new service?
Anyone that's insured with Medical Mutual. Again, they can go to our member website, My Health Plan. All the access to provider ratings, quality information, locations, and then a growing list of procedures and treatments are available. For example, x-rays, blood tests, office visits, physical therapy, and minor and major surgeries. It's your health and your money. My Care Compare gives you more power to control both.
All right, sounds great. So if you're a Medical Mutual client, the price is right for this new tool. You're free to use My Care Compare. To learn more, use the information that's coming up next. My thanks to Keely Strube for this priceless information.
Thank you.
Find out more about Medical Mutual of Ohio by visiting their website, www.medmutual.com/2015 options, or call 1-866-488-3266.